Want to make your manufacturing facility smarter? TTBS is here. Let's explore the key priorities for today's manufacturing business. When your product is being designed, teams must collaborate and access design drafts from anywhere. TTBS enables this securely with tools like Microsoft 365, Zoom and Google Workspace. Once manufacturing begins, a secure network is key to the production process with automation and industrial IoT. TTBS can establish this with Smart Internet or Smart VPN MPLS. Automated alerts are needed throughout the production workflow. This is where TTBS can enable you to deliver these alerts via SMS, WhatsApp and more channels. Next, your warehouse managers need uninterrupted business communication, where every call with suppliers, transporters and HQ matters. TTBS steps in by helping you establish uninterrupted communication through SIP, enable alerts through WhatsApp, and improve collaboration with unified communication tools. And when you need reliable connectivity for capturing inventory data and enabling CCTV monitoring, TTBS offers secure internet access. We know that industrial safety is a priority for you. You want to be able to alert teams to improve readiness for emergencies promptly. TTBS helps you to trigger automated outbound calls and alerts with a suite of communication and connectivity solutions. So, you always are ready with a proactive response to potential hazards. Now with the product in hand, how do you achieve end-to-end visibility across supply chains? Can you promptly respond to changes in demand or supply? Sharing near real-time inventory data across the supply chain network is essential to detect potential supply disruptions too. How do you manage? Share more accurate information with centralized data in Azure. TTBS enhances your supplier coordination by establishing integrated communication for voice, SMS and video. Run your marketing campaigns with solutions like WhatsApp Business Platform and more. What's more, TTBS SmartFlow provides a scalable cloud platform for customer service and engagement. You can efficiently manage customer interactions and ensure a seamless customer experience. Tata Tele Business Services provides an all-encompassing solution that includes cloud services, connectivity, communication, collaboration, and security. Embrace the digital future with TTBS Manufacturing Industry Solutions.